Hello? Hello? Okay, there you go. So that's it. It's all set. Hello, friends. This is Swappy Bomb the Biker for another motovlog. Let's go. So, where am I? I am somewhere near Ruia College. Ruia College is a college in Mumbai, a very famous college. Oh god, what's happening here? Public display of affection. So this is Ruia College, by the way. Kidhar gaya? Ah, sorry. It's on the right. Let me show Ruia College to you. Yeah. So that is Ramnarayan Ruia College. And I'm out here for a motovlog. By the way, this is a nice cricket ground, and lots of coaching happens on this ground. Lots of good players have come out from here. It's bang opposite Ruia College. तो भाई ये मेरा एरिया है, ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है परेल से, और ये है वेलिंकर इंस्टीट्यूट. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे आपको अगर कोई मैनेजमेंट कोर्सेज करने हैं ये उसके लिए एक कॉलेज है. बहुत सारे कोर्सेज है ये कॉलेज में. ओके, ऐसा है. तो नाउ यू आर एंटरिंग दिस area where you'll find a lot of South Indian restaurants and hotels. So this is an area which is populated mainly by Gujaratis, Jains and South Indians. So yeah, so इधर बहुत ही अच्छे South Indian hotels है. So on the left here is the Matunga station, and just next to the Matunga station there is this nice South Indian hotel, and it's very famous, serves great food. Sai Baba Maharaj ki jai. So yep. Okay. Earlier there used to be a time when almost every Sunday my dad, he used to take me to have idli, vada, sambar and dosa, to Matunga. In fact, I used to even come all the way from Parel over here to even have a haircut, because this is one place which my dad really liked, so he used to get me here. So apart from that, you can say that this is a very religious kind of locality, wherein you'll find many South Indian temples over here. So I'll show you one. These are basically garlands, very nice garlands, flower garlands you can get for whatever pujas and all at your house. So the entire look of this place has changed because there's a lot of development that is happening. Lots of massive development. So there used to be a nice South Indian hotel here as well. It was known as Mani's Lunch Home. And this is a temple here. This is an old temple, but they have not renovated it or anything. Otherwise it will look really awesome with the paint color and all. So aisa hai. There's one more temple over here. There you go. So I just take a turn right over here, and so that the person behind can go. Alright. Thank you. So this is the temple here. इसको बोलते हैं श्री शंकर मठ. All right, you can see here such nice, delicate, intricate carvings on the temple, decorated with banana leaves. You can even see the bananas over there. So yeah. Anyways, guys, time to move. Whenever I come to this area, it reminds me of that serial on Doordarshan that used to come, that was like Malgudi Days. R.K. Lakshman's Malgudi days. It makes me really nostalgic. And the sound, उसका sound भी कैसा था वो जब track play होता था, background music. Ta-na-na, ta-na-na-na-na, ta-na-na, ta-na-na-na-na, ta-na-na, ta-na-na-na-na. Wow, happy days. तो और एक मंदिर है यहाँ पे, मैं दिखाऊंगा आपको. ये मंदिर की खासियत ना, ये जो भी मंदिर है यहाँ पे साउथ इंडियन मंदिर, वो उन पे ना वो जो इंट्रिकेट वो जो कार्विंग्स डिटेलिंग होते हैं ना, वो ज़बरदस्त होती है. उसको देखने के लिए मैं आपको ख़ास लेके आया हूँ यहाँ पे. ये देखो, दिस इज़ ऑल्सो, लुक एट द कार्विंग्स ऑन द टेम्पल. So before the security guard says anything, because I was bang in front of the entrance. So here is the temple. So it's time for me to take out my camera and shoot this for you, because my action camera won't be able to record this. Anyways guys, so let me take out my action camera now. Look at the detailing, guys. Look at the detailing on every idol over here. It's so beautifully done. That's what I love about this place. Simply awesome. The tree is spoiling my view. अब चलता है जितना आया उतना. Every single idol is different, guys, and when you think about the story behind all of this, it's like all the scriptures on this roof right here. I think this one on the peacock is, this idol here is of Karthik Swami. So anyways, I'm not going into the details, but I just wanted to show you how beautiful this place looks, and it goes all the way up to the top. So yeah, I hope you like this. So here is another view. You can see Lord Shiva right there, Lord Ganesh and Parvati. That is Sheshnag, and that is Lord Vishnu resting on the Sheshnag. And it gets very interesting when you go on top over there, but unfortunately the tree is coming in the way, so I can't show you that. So anyways guys, it's time to move for me. Let's move. Camera now. Let's move. And I'll show you one hotel over here. There's one more hotel in Matunga where you can go for some nice South Indian food, and that is this Cafe Mysore right there. So I'll show it to you. That is Cafe Mysore, that one right there. So guys, that is Cafe Mysore, and it's a restaurant that was frequently visited by Mukesh Ambani. Mukesh Ambani यहाँ पे आता था अपने बच्चों के साथ, to have food. I think he still comes, and it serves some excellent South Indian food. I used to frequently come to this restaurant as well when I was in school. Really good food. You have lots of options if you don't want to visit this restaurant. There are lots of options on the, on this very street itself, and there's Anand Bhavan right there. And it's a wonderful place, and you can get authentic South Indian food. Although this Cafe Mysore, it serves only snacks items, South Indian snack items, whereas there are hotels here which serve really authentic South Indian food. But anyways, this is the flyover here. It's right opposite King Circle. Let's go. So that's about the hotel, and what else can I show you? So even I'm thinking, I've put on my thinking cap, and I'm thinking what else to show you. Righty then, let me just fix this up. By the way, Mumbai ka Nikhil, I think he opened a general stores over there with his YouTube income. God, Mumbai ka Nikhil is like really on fire nowadays. It's good. It's good. Good for my friend there. अरे चालू हो जा मेरे भाई. मस्त. ये हुई ना बात. तो अभी हम क्या दिखाएं आपको. और this is another nice restaurant over here, Anand Bhuvan. Did I break the signal? Right there. Okay, I think he's taking his car out, or he's putting it in. I have no clue. I think he's parking it. So anyways, this is Anand Bhuvan right here. That's the hotel over there. I visit that hotel very frequently. Basically, I am a Maharashtrian who loves South Indian food. I love it more than Chinese food. So you can understand. और क्या बताऊँ मैं. So this is okay. I'll have to take a right from here. There you go. This area looks very shady. By the way, this is I think the BMC takes all this illegal stuff and stores it over here. बाद में क्या होता है इसका I don't know. Auction होता है किसका, ऐसा लगता है मेरे को. Okay. What else can I show you, my friends? And this is the famous Aurora Cinema, this one. Well, it's mainly famous for the local people around here. Well, it's mainly famous for the local people around here. And you know, when every single time when Rajnikant's movie is out there, has been launched, or has been, you know, a few days in advance of the movie launching, there is a huge cutout of Rajnikant that is put up over here, and there are huge garlands of flowers that have been put up on Rajnikant. So it's quite a sight to see. And there are lots of fans over here. Lots of people come here from far off places in order to experience what it is to watch a Rajni movie with an audience that loves him so much. It's something which Salman Khan is doing, but the craziness about Salman Khan is quite less when you compare it to Rajnikant, because Rajnikant is someone who is not a brat, you understand. So Salman has his own audience. Salman Khan has his own audience, and Salman is basically a young guy, you know. Yeah, even though he's like, I think 50 years old, he's very young, and he has a couple of court cases that have been pending on him and all those kind of things. But Rajnikant has like set quite a few Rajnikant has set this is my school, by the way. Anyways, Rajnikant has set quite a few nice examples for people to follow, and he's a very simple man. So both of them, the similarities between both of them is that they have portrayed larger than life roles in their films. Okay, so आपको तो पता ही होगा. लेकिन रजनी सर के बारे में you know, क्रेजीनेस कुछ अलग ही लेवल पे है. उनको तो दूध का अभिषेक करते हैं उनके पोस्टर्स पे, तो ऐसी बात है. अब और क्या बोले हम आपसे. So this was Matunga, guys, and I've been roaming here for quite some time now.